Okay, good students. Today we study about matrix, which is taken from class 12th maths NCERT book. Today the topic is matrix. What is matrix and what is types of matrix? What is use of matrix? We know about use of matrix, what is types of matrix. In this case, we in first case know about matrix, that what is matrix. A matrix consists of row and columns. These rows and columns define on the size or dimension of matrix. Matrix consists of two systems as row and column. These rows and columns define on the size of the matrix. Size means how many order, how many row and how many columns. This is the size of the matrix. In this case, we show a matrix in closed interval A, B, C, D, E, F are the elements. In this case, we observe that one column, two column, three column and two row, one row and two row. This row and column denote here 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is the order of matrix, in which 2 show row and 3 show column. Row denotes capitals R and column denote C. 2 and 3 are the order of matrix, in which 2 show row and 3 show column. Types of matrix. There are following types of matrix. There are different types of matrix. In first case, row matrix. Row matrix, we see it in closed interval A, B, C. A, B, C elements which is in row form, and we observe in this system one row and 3 column. Thus we write here 1 into 3 in one order 3. After this we show second column matrix. Column matrix, in second case, column matrix. Column matrix. Matrix write in A, B, C. This form is known as a column matrix. A, B, C in a column matrix. In this case, we observe that one column and three row and one column. Thus, we denote it 3 into 1. 3 row and 1 column. After this, in third case, zero matrix as in this case all elements are found 0. 2 into 2 row and 2 column. Fourth case, diagonal matrix. We show it A 0 0 0 B 0 and 0 0 C. In this case, A 0 0 0 B C 0 0 0 C. In this case, A B C is a diagonal. Diagonal elements are present, but other elements are found 0 in this case. Fourth, scalar matrix. Scalar matrix fifth scalar matrix. In this case, we show elements in scalar system A 0 0 0 A 0 0 0 A. This form is a scalar system in which diagonals elements are same. But in diagonal matrix, these given elements are not same. But in scalar matrix, the diagonal elements are same. Fourth case, sixth case, unit matrix. We show it 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. In this case, the diagonals unit is always found 1. That matrix are known as unit matrix. If here 2 2 2, that will be not a unit matrix. For unit matrix, always found diagonal element 1 1 1 1. In this case, 3 into 3 row and 3 column is found in this matrix, and above 3 into 3. Case 7th, lower triangular matrix. Lower triangular matrix. Triangular matrix. Lower triangular matrix. Seventh case, lower triangular matrix. In this case, we see that A 0 0 0 0 and B C 0, A 0 0 and B C 0. And here D E F. The order of matrix is 3 into 3. In this case, we observe that lower triangular matrix, triangular type. In this case, so that from diagonals up, all elements are 0. This is the diagonal, ACF is diagonal, and up diagonals elements upside all are 0. Thus, these systems make a form of triangle. Then it is called lower triangle matrix. In its upper triangular matrix, in this case we show upper triangular matrix A B C 0 D E. Zero zero F. The order of matrix is 3 into 3. In this case, we observe that upper triangular matrix, diagonals upper triangle made, and lower elements are 0. ADF diagonals. ADF, the lower side elements are 0. Then it makes a upper shape of triangle. Upper, this is known as upper triangular matrix. Square matrix. What is square matrix? Square matrix, we show its A, B, C A, B, C, E, F, D. These systems are known as square same order 3 into 3 row and 3 column. These types of systems is known as square matrix. These are the types of matrix we learn all. All matrix are depend on 9 rules, which is very important. Okay students, thank all of you.